excited for coupons. I hope you're having a wonderful beginning of the week, and I'm so excited to share with you guys the insert a preview already very early on. It's already Monday and we already have this information. This is a shout out to bargainsfnj. This is her Instagram account, and she was able to provide these inserts for me to share it. So if you guys are interested and looking for a coupon fairy, maybe this is one you could check out, and she already has them available. So let's go inside to see what's coming on. This is for March 15. We're expecting 2 inserts, the Smart Source and the Retail Me Not. If you are looking to print a printable for Sunday insert schedule, you could go ahead and print this. This is available in my website, and the link is provided right below this video, so it's easy for you to just go ahead and select that link and you'll be able to print. That way you have an idea of what's coming every week. So let's start with Smart Source, and right there on the cover we have Clorox on special, and there's different products there. And I like that these coupons expire on April 26th, and this is the cover for the Smart Source for March 15th. Then we have Scotty's and Outback. I love getting coupons like this for eating out, because I also love saving money when we go out dining out. Right next to it we have Skin Timid. I did see that there's going to be a deal coming up at CVS, and they did mention we're going to be getting a $4 coupon, and here's that $4 coupon. I'm going through the CVS ad already, and I see that there's many great deals. Here's another coupon as well, and there's another one here. So I'm excited, and I hope that every region gets this sheet for chic products. Then we continue at the next page. This one's a little bit cut off, but as you see, there's 3 different coupons here for 3 different products, and you see the products here on the top. The next page we have is Milani. Guys, I am so excited that we're getting Milani coupons. In my store that I just did my haul, I was able to get some of the products, but they don't have the new products there. So hopefully they start restocking and putting the new products from Milani in most CVS, so that we were able to take advantage of those deals using these coupons. And I hope that everybody gets these coupons. There's 3 off, and this one is a 2 off, and who knows, we might get printable, so I'm going to keep an eye out on that. Underneath we have Revlon, but this is only for hair color and root erase. The next page we continue to have more Revlon coupons. This is 4 off any Revlon total color product. The next page we have Claritin, and underneath we have Alka-Seltzer. And just keep in mind that this coupon here is 1 week only. And then we have another page for Claritin as well, and then Afrin underneath. Here we have 3 different products. These are for Ken's Steakhouse, and usually I get these. I usually use these coupons when they're on BOGO at Publix. So that was all for Smart Source. So now we're going to go inside the book for Retail Me Not that is expected March 15, but keep in mind that they do vary by region, so hopefully we all get these coupons. And sometimes when I show some of these previews, once I receive mine, there's either new coupons or maybe the amount may vary, so just keep that in mind. But at least we have an idea what's coming for this Retail Me Not book. So we have Purina here, and then the next one we have Vaseline for men. We have Pond's that we have been seeing this on special for a few weeks, and I'm excited to see that Caress is also going to be one of those coupons on this insert. The next one is Simple. We've been seeing deals for this as well, just like St. Ives, and this one is buy 1 Simple cleanser or moisturizer product and get 1 free Simple Wipes product. So I'm going to see if there's a deal, because this will be a great coupon to pair that with. And then St. Ives, I also noticed that there was some cash back offers on Saving Star, and also I think Checkout 51 has some of those. So if there is a great deal, this will be the best time to use it with this coupon. Next we have Dove. This is Dove hair care product, and then we have the deodorants, 2 different coupons for the Dove Advanced Care, and then we have the Dove Clinical deodorant. The next page, I'm excited because we keep getting these coupons back to back, so hopefully you guys are not missing out on these Tresemme coupons. We have the Tresemme Pro collection, we have the Tresemme Pro Pure products, Tresemme Compress Micro Mist Spray, And then we have, of course, the one that this one is a little bit different. The value, it says save 250 off 2, and this is Tresemme shampoo or conditioner product. So as you see, we have 2 different coupons here, and the value is very different than what we normally see. Then we have Nexus, which I am so excited about, that we're getting a coupon 5 off 1. And I believe there's a deal coming up at CVS, so I'm excited, and I hope we all get this coupon. Then on the next page, we have buy one get one Axe product. Yeah, it says one Axe product, get one any Axe product free. So I'm excited for this coupon, and the max value for this coupon is $4.99. So then we continue with the personal care products. So we have the Dove Men Care hair product, save 4 off 2. Then we have Dove Men Care body wash, save $1 off 1. And then we have the Dove Men Care deodorant, save $1.50 off 1. We just have to see that. I think these are all saying a limit of 2, so this seems like a great coupon to use, and at least I'm happy that is a limit of 2, not a limit of 1. And then we continue the next page. We see Dove. We've been seeing many great deals going on with Dove. Even this week, I was able to get the body wash free, which it was very rare. So I'm excited that we are getting coupons, since the coupons I did use did expire on Sunday. So as you see, we're getting new coupons again. But the value seems a little bit less. This one is for the Dove Beauty Bar, 75 cents. The Dove body wash is $1. The one I just used was $1.25. The Dove foaming hand wash is 75 cents, and the Dove shower foam is $1. This is interesting. This is a new product, and this is Nor. Save $1 off 2. So usually when there's a new product, we usually see deals. Well, that was when I started couponing, but I'm glad to see that there is a coupon for a new offer. We have Maybelline. I'm excited because Maybelline last week, well, this week right now, if you buy 2, you get 7 ECB. And when I checked out the CVS ad that's coming on March 15, it's also saying buy 2, get 7 ECB. So I'm excited because we're also getting a coupon. And this coupon is for Maybelline for face products. So I'm going to see how I could use this coupon on any deal idea. Then we have the Garnier buy one get one free. So it says buy one Garnier Fructis 11.8 ounce, but this is the Treat shampoo conditioner, or the 400 ml 1 minute hair mask, get one free. So these are one of those products I want to see if they're going to be on special, and this is a great coupon to use, buy one get one free. And I believe this is the last page. We have L'Oreal. It's funny because the only L'Oreal products I noticed on this insert are only these here, and these are all hair care, or mostly hair color products. So this is everything, guys. We were able to go inside and see and check out those inserts. I'm excited that I'm able to see them early, because that way I have an idea what's coming, and then I could start working on my CVS best deal. So thank you guys for watching this video. Any printables that are similar to the coupons I just mentioned, in case you don't want to get the insert, you just want to get the printables, I'm going to provide those below this video. So thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you're having a wonderful week, and until the next video, bye.